Hi, my name is Uttara. I am here today to tell you a story. The name of the story is Drawing My Cat. In the story, we have a friend of yours. Her name is Anu. Anu likes to draw. She's always drawing whatever she sees. Shall we see what she's drawing today? Drawing my cat. This is Anu. This is Anu's cat. And this is Anu's father. Do you see Anu's father having a bag in his hand? Anu's father brought vegetables from the farm today. What do you think Anu will do now? Anu loves to draw, so she decides to draw all the vegetables that her father has brought. Do you see the basket that is full of vegetables? Anu is going to draw vegetables now. Shall we see what vegetable she is going to draw? First, she draws the limes and tomatoes. Anu sees limes, Anu sees tomatoes, so she's drawing limes and tomatoes. What is the other name for lime? Yes, they are called lemon also. Then she draws beans and cucumbers. Last, she draws a big bottle gourd. Do you see the bottle gourd here? Isn't it very big? Meow, meow. Who do you think that is? Yes, that is Anu's cat. The cat walks by while Anu is drawing. Anu wants to draw the cat now. But where can she start? I know, she says. Snip, snip, snip. What noise is that? Anu uses her scissors and glue. This is my picture of the cat, says Anu happily. What do you see in the picture? Did you like the story? Thank you.